Hello, my name is Nixie and it's day 2 of Inktober, and the prompt for today is mindless. And immediately, I don't know why, but I just pictured a schoolgirl without a head. So I'm like, okay, let's go straight with headless schoolgirl. I'm sorry if you see my hand there going somewhere else frequently. And I find it really annoying too when I was editing this video, but I had to do that because as I was painting, I was looking for references for the uniform. So yeah, sorry about that if it irritates you the way it irritates me too. Really sorry. I made sure this time though to just make everything simple and focus more on my line work instead of the watercoloring part. So I literally just used my watercolor here for accents and maybe just to give it division, the image some division. And I told myself if I wanted to put shades on it that I'm going to use my pen for it, which is just maybe doing some hatching. So yeah, I'm very happy with this one. It didn't take me so long, unlike my day one. And I hope you guys liked it too, and see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye and thank you.